Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Landroid 1000 lawnmower. Here's the robot, and there are two methods of resetting it. Both achieve different results. First, I'll show you the more common one, which doesn't delete the settings. That means it doesn't delete schedules, it doesn't remove the map and everything. It just keeps everything saved, but you can connect it to another Wi-Fi that way or connect it to a different app. It just resets the connection basically. To do it, you'll need to get to the robot, find this panel, open it, and then press and hold on the OK button for 3 seconds. Now it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can easily pair it to another device, or to the same one with a different Wi-Fi network after previously deleting the device from the app. If you'd like to factory reset it to delete the data on the robot, you will need to press and hold both on the Start button and OK button for 3 seconds. Now, it's being reset. It'll take a little moment. The robot will restart during that process, and later it'll be done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.